Si Tommy, turuan mo siya ng pick-up lines para kay Miho. Pero, in English ka, quiz. Tatandaan mo, yun yung task mo. Pick-up lines in English.
Pero yung... How about the pick-up line? Is it Tagalog?
Good job, P. Your pick-up lines needs to be in English.
Pardon me.
Quiz, don't make fun of me. It's embarrassing.
So, quiz joke, ilayo mo raw ha. Ilayo mo yung dalawa. Ilayo mo si Miho at si Tommy. Pagkagawin na yung pick-up line. Kasi may si Ate, ilayo mo. Ilabas ka sila. Ilayo mo yung microphone kay Ate.
You know, it comes from the diaphragm and then to the throat.
Sa ilalim kayo na swimming pool ng pick-up line.
Oh, yeah. Something like this. No. I'm talking to Billy. We have to teach him Tagalog pick-up line or English pick-up line?
English.
English
You're
pick-up
not
line.
allowed to speak Tagalog. You're only allowed to speak in English.
Okay, I have to
So,
speak in English.
you need to teach Tommy a pick-up line in English for Miho. Okay?
Okay.
Good luck.
You have to understand because...
Joke, sorry, Joke. Kaya interrupted me. You need to smile while talking to Tommy. Sorry, you need to smile. Yeah, I like your smile. Maintain that. Please maintain that.
Tommy, try to understand me, please.
Your smile.
Try to understand me, please. Okay, this is my pick-up line.
Smile, please. Yeah.
Oh, man, it's getting hard, man. It's so hard.
Ito na lang.
Wait, I'm saying something.
Joke.
What? I'm talking to Tommy.
Joke.
Oh, well.
Quiz joke.
Yes.
Tuturuan ka ng pick-up line ni Quiz Bong. Tagalog. Ita-translate mo lang. Ha?
Okay. Abong will... later.
Don't forget to smile, ha? Don't forget to smile.
Smile.
Okay.
Smile on your face. The best policy of the world.
Alright.
So we need to maintain that, huh? Okay.
Okay. Go.
This is how we do it.
Okay.
Okay. Excuse me. Hey.
Hey.
Where's the pick-up line?
Wrong.
Oh, what?
Yes.
Don't talk English.
Why? So you need to practice yourself, or else, and me too.
Alright. Go.
Okay.
Pick up line for me. Okay.
Kaya sabi mo, FEU ka ba?
Are you FEU? Yeah, FEU. You have to ask Miho. Are you FEU? And she will ask you back. Bakit?
Then say, sabi mo, kasi tama raw na ibigin kita.
Translate mo yan.
If you say why,